Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair your JBL Sense Pros with an Android phone. Now this is very simple. First, you need to open up the case of your JBL Sense Pros and you need to put them in pairing mode. And to do that, you need to tap and then tap and hold on one of the earbuds. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. So it has to be quicker. Tap and then tap and hold like that. And then just keep holding and you can see they're gonna start blinking rapidly. That means they should be in pairing mode. You will see that those lights blinking rapidly. That means they're in pairing mode. So you want to quickly go to your phone's Bluetooth settings, your Android phone's Bluetooth settings, and when it's scanning, they should be detected as JBL Sense Pro. Tap on that and then confirm the pairing request, and they should get paired and connected. And now if you want to add them to your Google account, you can go ahead and do that. But as far as pairing via Bluetooth is concerned, that's about it. They're now ready to be taken out of their case and used. Okay. And you'll also notice the lights on the earbuds have stopped blinking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.